Hey, what is up, guys? It's Brendan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the best checking accounts for you and your money. Now, if you are brand new, or maybe you're looking to just get a new checking account, that's what we're going to be taking a look at here in today's video. What are some of the best companies you can use to start a new checking account and get started, especially with ones that have low or no fees at all and can really just be better checking accounts in general than maybe the current checking account that you're currently using. Maybe you're fed up with all the fees and you're looking for something better. That's what we're diving into here in today's video. Again, what are the best checking accounts for you today? And if you do want to check out any of the companies mentioned here in today's video, you can go and check out those links linked down below in the video description. Again, some of which are affiliate links, which can be a great way to help out and support the channel. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into things. Now, of course, it's important to understand that with checking accounts, there's a variety of different types of options for a specific personal banking needs. Now, first we're going to be taking a look here is the best checking accounts list. Now, we are going to be taking a step through this one by one for all the different accounts here in this list, but I do want to mention, of course, if you would like to check out this resource page, this is done in partnership with money.com, and I will leave a link to this video at the top of the video description. That's brendanvalesky.com/best checking accounts, and that will take you right over to this page here where you can see the top picks for our best checking accounts, where you can compare rates, offers, and features and open a free online account in minutes. Again, that is the first link down below in the video description. We'll take you over to this page here if you'd like to follow along or get, again, the most up-to-date list of the top picks for the best checking accounts. No matter when you're watching this video, this page will be constantly updated to the best offers that are currently available. Again, that's that first link down below in the video description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the list of some of the best checking accounts. So as you can see here on screen, the number one top choice is SoFi. Now, hands down, of course, SoFi does offer a variety of different types of financial services products when it comes to checking accounts, bank accounts, savings accounts, but more specifically, their actual checking account does earn, if you're opening a checking and savings, they kind of do like a combo deal with a lot of their bank account system, and you can earn up to 3.8% APY with up to $300 with direct deposit. It is also FDIC insured. So SoFi includes both a checking and savings account when you get started with them and opening a bank account with SoFi. As you can see here, they have no account fees, no overdraft fees, no minimum balance fees, and no monthly fees. And again, like I said, you can get up to a $300 cash deposit cash bonus with direct deposit. You can get paid up to 2 days early, and they also offer FDIC insurance up to $250K plus up to $3 million in supplemental insurance. Again, this is earning 9 times the national average rate. With their bank account, you can earn up to 3.8% APY with direct deposits of $5,000 or more, depending on the total evaluation period and what that process looks like with their accounts here. So as you can see here, they're checking and savings. Now, again, this video is primarily focused here on checking accounts, but that is how they operate. They have both a checking and savings, kind of opens 2 in 1. And again, like I said, they have no account fees, 2-day early paycheck, no fee overdraft coverage, and you can do it all within the SoFi app. Definitely recommend checking SoFi out. Even if we take a look here just at their main website, all the different types of products that they do offer. Again, I have covered them on the channel before, but just even looking at their banking product, it is one of their best options. They also do offer a variety of other different types of financial services, such as like investing, personal loans, student loans, mortgage loans, student loan refinancing, credit cards as well. But really, again, their checking account and their banking offer is one of the best out there. That's why I did want to mention them at the number one spot in this list here again for the SoFi checking and savings. Moving in at number 2 in this list, we have is Discover. As you can see here, Discover can get you 1% cash back on up to $3,000 in monthly debit purchases. There's no monthly fees and no minimum balance required with the Discover bank account or the Discover checking account. You can get early pay. You can get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit. You can have access to 60,000 fee-free ATMs and fee-free overdraft protection as well with Discover. Now, most people are probably familiar with Discover for their credit cards, but they do also offer a checking account. As you can see here, again, you can earn cashback rewards with no fees, which is pretty cool on the Discover debit account because most debit cards honestly earn you basically nothing. So it is kind of nice that if you are new to personal finance in general and you're looking at starting maybe one of your first checking accounts, you're actually able to get some level of cash back at least with the Discover Cashback debit card, especially maybe if you're not so interested in getting started with credit cards or other types of things that might get you more cash back. It is nice that you can actually get some cash back with a basic debit card, and that's up to 3,000 debit card purchases each month on the Discover checking account. And additionally, of course, you can bank with a no-fee checking account. There's no fees at all on the account. That means you won't be charged a fee on their checking account. There's also the get paid early with direct deposit, as I mentioned before, with 2 days early. They also have fraud protection, digital wallets, 60,000 fee-free ATMs, like I mentioned. You can also add cash to your account via any kind of Walmart in the US with no fees. You can also send money with Zelle, so you do have access to Zelle as well, which is a very popular service. You can also send money and receive money from friends and family. You also have overdraft services where you can protect your account from overdrafts. Again, they did make it on NerdWallet's best of list. That's one of the best accounts. If you do compare it to like Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, you can see the different types of fees and no fee minimums that the Discover Cashback account has from their debit account or their checking account, essentially. No fees as well. Again, no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirement, no fee for insufficient funds, no fee official bank check, so no fee on check, no fee check reorder, and no fee for expedited delivery of your replacement debit card. Which is kind of nice as well. So all these features are things that Discover does offer with their checking account online that you can get started with in minutes as well. So again, you can check out those links down below in the video description if you are interested in a Discover checking account as number 2 spot in this list. Moving on, at number 3, we have Chime. Now, Chime has been a newcomer to this space, kind of similar to SoFi. I know Discover's been around the block for a long time when issuing different credit cards and things like that, but Chime does also offer a good variety of different perks and benefits with their checking account. So as you can see here, you can earn $100 with direct deposit, that you can get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit setup. They also offer no monthly fees and no minimum balance required. They have 50,000 fee-free ATMs at Walgreens, 7-Eleven, CVS, and more, and no fees for foreign transactions and transfers. If you take a look here, as you can see, they have no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, and no opening deposit minimum, which is pretty nice as well. And no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, no minimum balance requirement, no foreign transaction fees, which honestly, the no foreign transaction fees is kind of something that you typically only see in credit cards, so that's nice that they also have that on their checking accounts, and no transfer fees as well. As you can see, you offer a variety of different types of ATMs, and you can also get started with their debit card. They also have a credit builder card that you do also have as an option if you would like to maybe start building credit. Again, if you're brand new and you're looking at getting a new checking account, and you also maybe want to pair that with a new credit card to get your credit score going, you can also do that with their credit builder card, similar to their debit card. As you can see here, it's very similar in terms of that process, and you can help increase your credit score there as well with that product. And as you can see here, your funds are also FDIC insured up to $250K through Bancorp or Stride Bank. And then they also offer instant transaction alerts. You can block your card in one tap, 24/7 live support, and secure 2-factor and fingerprint authentication. So that is Chime. Again, another good option when you're looking at, again, getting no monthly fees. One of the best checking accounts that you can get started with today. Moving along, next in this list, we do have 2 honorable mentions. Again, those are the top 3 we have as SoFi, Discover, and Chime are kind of the top 3. And moving in closely at a 4th and 5th spot in the honorable mentions section of this video, we also have is Capital One. Now, Capital One offers primarily their credit cards, what they are known for, but they do also offer checking and savings accounts, as you can see here with their 360 checking account. And this is a fee-free online checking account where you can manage your money with no fees, no minimums, and no overdraft fees, which is very cool considering Discover is one of the top issuers when it comes to like credit cards. It's nice that they also offer a banking account solution with their checking account that actually doesn't have any kind of fees, which is nice, especially compared to most other larger banks out there that do have a lot of fees with their banking. As you can see here, no fees, no minimums, no overdraft fees, no monthly fees with the Capital One 360 checking account. There's also no minimum balance to keep open to keep and use your account. And there's also no overdraft fees, as you can see here on their ATM ATM network. They have over 70,000 fee-free ATMs, and that's also through Capital One, not only just Capital One, but also MoneyPass Allpoint ATMs, which is included in select Target, Walgreens, and CVS stores. You also have Early Paycheck, which you can set up to get a direct deposit form with your 360 checking account, and you can access your paycheck up to 2 days sooner than payday. And you can also add cash in store as well via CVS, Walgreens, or Duane Reade. It's free, fast, and secure to also add money via cash to your account. So don't worry that it's just an online account. If you do need to actually deposit cash, as you can see here, you also get a free debit card. They have their Capital One mobile app, so it works the same as their regular mobile app. You also have digital payments with Zelle, so you can pay and transfer money quickly and easily with your Capital One account. They also have in-person support with their branches and Capital One cafes. They also have financial goals and more, of course, within their account and setup. Again, so no problem if you are just doing things digitally, if you're not near a Capital One branch. So nothing to worry about. A lot of these accounts are able to be opened online only, or just completely online. So no need to worry as well if some of these banks that mentioned in this video, maybe they don't have a branch near to you. You can also do these applications and processes completely online as well for most of these different providers mentioned in this list. Moving on, last but not least, we also have Ally Bank. Now, Ally Bank is primarily known for their savings account, but they also have an Ally Bank spend account, which is essentially their interest checking account. They call it the Ally Bank spending account, but it is an interest checking account. So it functions similarly to any other kind of checking account, but it actually does also pay you a little bit of interest, which is a nice little bonus there. They have no overdraft fees, no monthly maintenance fees, and you can get paid up to 2 days sooner with early direct deposit as well, which is also kind of a nice little bonus there. And it is, as you can see here, a checking account that checks all the boxes. You have no monthly fees on the account, 75,000 no fee ATMs, and you can get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit. As you can see here, you get reimbursed when using other ATMs as well. So if you're not near one of the no-fee ATMs, you can receive up to $10 per statement cycle for fees charged to ATMs nationwide. You also have protection against unexpected overspending, so an extra double line of defense against their overdraft transfer service, which is also nice, and they never charge overdraft fees. And you can stay ahead with their buckets feature. Now, I personally use the Ally Bank for their savings account, and having the buckets feature is a really nice benefit where you can help to organize your money. It is also just a really nice, easy way to stay ahead of future expenses as well. So you can set money aside for them. And again, it is also FDIC insured up to the maximum allowed by law. And the cash is, as you can see here, in the bucket. So you have like car payment, Wi-Fi, different types of ways that you can organize your money. As you can see as well with the types of fees, there is no monthly maintenance fee, no low daily balance, no fee on standard checks, debit cards, deposit slips, prepaid envelopes, standard or expedited transfers, and no overdraft money. And they're not going to hide any of the fees that they do have. So the only kind of fees that they do have are pretty much the types of fees that you would expect with basically any kind of checking account. And that typically goes with the types of outgoing domestic wires, if you have certain stop payments, and as well as some of the bill pay features that are like expedited or overnight, and some of the international transfers. These are kind of standard things that you would probably find, the similar types of fees on even most of the other no fee accounts mentioned in this list. As you can see here, you also get the interest, right? So you get that 0.1% currently, the APY, which gets you $10 if you had 10K sitting in the checking account, just as an example, compared to now like Bank of America, Chase, Citibank, PNC Bank, Wells Fargo. Now, Capital One 360 does also offer a little bit of a yield too. So do keep that in mind. They are competitive and very similar to Ally Bank. That's again why I mentioned both of them in this list, because they are fairly similar, and you can easily open an account online, whether it be through their website or via the app as well. And that is again with Ally Bank. You can easily go in and open an account online because they are an online bank. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful on some of the best checking accounts. Again, we're taking a look at Chime, Discover, SoFi, Ally, and Capital One as some honorable mentions. If you do want to check out this list, again, is that first link down below in the video description. If you'd like to see the most up-to-date offers on any of the best checking accounts mentioned here in today's video. Guys, if you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. But anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.